Number 5. Nikon D850. Nikon designed backside illuminated full-frame image sensor. 45.7 megapixels of extraordinary resolution, outstanding dynamic range. Up to 9 fps, one continuous shooting at full resolution with full AF performance. 4K Ultra HD video recording, slow motion up to 120 fps at 1080p. Tilting touchscreen, focus shift shooting mode, outstanding battery performance. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Canon EOS 80D. The 242-megapixel CMOS sensor captures high-resolution images. The EOS 80D camera has a wide area, 45-point, all-cross-type AF system with low luminance. 4 types of AF area selection modes useful for a number of different AF situations. Use the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Canon EOS 5D Mark IV. 30.4 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor for versatile shooting in nearly any light. LCD monitor has a full touchscreen interface. Multiple video options include Full HD up to 60p, and HD up to 120p. Superb dual-pixel CMOS AF for responsive and smooth AF during video. Excellent performance, up to 7.0 fps continuous shooting speed. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Nikon D3500. A DSLR that's as easy to use as a point-and-shoot camera. Compact, comfortable design that's great for travel and special events. Image sensor that's 15x larger than those used in typical smartphones for sharper, clearer pictures. Works with Nikon's SnapBridge app for sharing photos with a compatible smartphone or tablet. 1080p Full HD videos with monaural sound at the touch of a button. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Canon Rebel SL3. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 camera features a powerful 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor. Shoot with dual-pixel CMOS AF for fast, accurate autofocus. 3.0-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD. The Digicade image processor helps produce high image quality. Turn your Canon camera into a high-quality webcam. Please check the description for details and best price.